Here are the two schools for tonight's show, St. Catherine High and Montego Bay High. This is Schools Challenge Quiz. St. Catherine High is represented today by Team Captain Asha Gay Beach, Ruth Ann Perry, Leon Mays, and Serena Carrington. While Montego Bay High is represented by Team Captain Tamia Blake, Tisana Richards, Britannia Samuels, and Shanae Lewis. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello again and welcome back. This is the second match in this evening's doubleheader, the 23rd match here in round one of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm Jean-Paul Manu, your judges, Dr. Patrick Stevens for the sciences and Lily Samuels for the arts. It all comes down to this. High schools from across Jamaica have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move on to the next round? This is the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier, we had the toss. St. Catherine High won and decided to send Montego Bay High in to bat first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so please, may I have that time on the clock. Montego Bay High, your first question is from chemistry. Which element has the symbol Cl and atomic number 17?
Chlorine.
Correct. St. Catherine Chemistry, which element has the symbol As and atomic number 33?
Arsenic.
Arsenic.
Very good. Local affairs, a visual clue for Montego Bay. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Peter Bunting. Peter Bunting.
Member of Parliament, correct. International affairs for St. Catherine, your visual clue. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Morris Guy.
Correct, also a member of Parliament. Mathematics for Montego Bay. What are the factors of x squared minus 7x plus 12?
X minus 4, x minus 3.
That's right, mathematics for St. Catherine. What are the factors of x squared plus 2x minus 15?
That will be x plus 5, x minus 3.
Very good. History for Montego Bay. Which U.S. president ended his country's participation in the Vietnam War?
1975. Jimmy Carter.
Richard Nixon, incorrect. History for St. Catherine. Which treaty after World War I established the League of Nations?
Treaty of Versailles.
Versailles, correct. Theater and cinema, a visual clue for Montego Bay. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Boris Kodjoe. Boris Kodjoe.
Actor, correct. Theater and cinema for St. Catherine. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Nicolas Cage.
Incorrect. Blair Underwood. Physics for Montego Bay. What is the momentum of a 60-kilogram object moving eastward at 9 meters per second?
Negative 54 kilograms meter per second.
Incorrect. 540 kilogram meters per second. St. Catherine Physics. What is the momentum of a 40-kilogram object moving southward at 2 meters per second?
80 kilograms per second.
Judges, I think they have the right idea. That's up to you. That's correct. Sport, a visual clue from Montego Bay. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Muhammad Ali. No. Sugar Robinson. Sugar Ray Robinson.
Oh, Sugar Ray Leonard. Sport, a visual clue for St. Catherine. Look at the monitor and identify this person, please.
Muhammad Ali.
Incorrect. Lennox Lewis. Spanish, Montego Bay. What is the English translation of Adonde vas?
Where we win. Where are you going?
Correct. Spanish for St. Catherine. What is the English equivalent for hace tiempo que no te veo?
What time are you going to watch the weather?
Incorrect. It's been a while since I've seen you. Information technology from Montego Bay. Linus Torvalds created which operating system?
Linux.
That's right. Information technology for St. Catherine. What is another name for unsolicited bulk email?
Spam.
That's right. Literature from Montego Bay. Who wrote the bestseller, The Book Thief?
Mary Connet.
Incorrect. Marcus Zusak. Literature for St. Catherine. Who wrote the bestseller, Eat, Pray, Love?
Elizabeth Gilbert.
Elizabeth Gilbert.
That's right. And that bell signifies the end of the opening challenge. The scores in the match look to be Montego Bay High on 6 points, St. Catherine High also on 6 points. It's time to pause now for this evening's second Digicel viewer's question. Our second viewer's question comes from the category Theatre and Cinema. The question is, who played the role of George Washington Williams in the 2016 movie The Legend of Tarzan? Answers will be accepted only by text messaging. Send your text message to 422-QUIZ. That's 422-7849. The first 5 persons who answer correctly will receive a prize of a credit to their Digicel account. When we come back, it'll be time for the Speed Challenge. Don't go anywhere. School's Challenge Quiz returns after these messages.